Hey y'all, I wanted to show you this video of me doing my install. Right there I was just showing you the different pliers I use. I use ones that have 2 hooks on them and then flat pliers. Majority of this install was the Matawi method, and I believe I did one track which was a beaded sewing where I put the beads in first and then I sewed the weft on. I was also trying to make sure that I used excuse me, the highlighted hair more in the front to give that highlighted beachy summer look, and then the darker hair in the back. So once I got closer to the front of my hair, it was almost like a puzzle, trying to like fit the different pieces in to make it look how I wanted it to look. On a side note, my hair is really fine, really thin, and it took a little maneuvering in the front just to make sure that it didn't look too sparse. So I hope y'all like this video, even though it was super fast, super sped up, but hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.